How to fix the missing screen record button on your Android device. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the missing screen record button on your Android. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is check if the screen recording app is available on your device or not. To do that, go ahead and tap on settings. And from here, you just want to tap on manage storage. And once you get to storage, go ahead and open up its apps. Just wait for it to load first. Tap on show more and tap on apps. Now here, you're just going to search for screen record. And if you don't see the default screen recorder app here, what you need to do is you might find it on your control panel. Go ahead and drag down your control panel. And once you do that, you will see the edit option on the top right corner. As you can see here, I am not able to see my screen record anywhere here. Go ahead and tap on this edit icon. Tap on edit your full control panel. Swipe right on the available buttons and here it is. You can just tap and hold on it to drag and drop wherever you'd like. Go ahead and tap on done. And once you do that, you should be able to find the screen record button right here. So that's how you find the screen record button, missing screen record button on your Android. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.